From the Lineweaver Wealth Watch Center, this is the Financial Quarterback.
Hi, I'm Jim Lineweaver, your financial quarterback since 1993. Today I'm joined with Chad Roope. He's our Chief Investment Officer at Lineweaver Wealth Advisors to talk about how business owners can put company cash flow to better use. So Chad, most business owners know that they need to cover things like payroll taxes, monthly bills, and unexpected slowdowns. But a lot of companies also have cash sitting in low-yielding business accounts. So what should an owner be thinking about?
First step is to separate cash by purpose and timing. Some money needs to be available immediately and belongs in a checking or highly liquid account. But many businesses also have reserves that they do not expect to need tomorrow, next week, or even the next month.
Yeah, so this really isn't about replacing a company's checking account. It's about being more intentional with the cash that may be sitting idle.
Business owners work hard to build cash reserves, but then many leave too much of that money in accounts that may earn very little yield over time. A good first step may be higher yield savings options or money market accounts. Those can sometimes offer more than traditional business checking while keeping the money accessible.
And once business owners really look beyond these basic banking options, where does the fixed income come into play?
Yeah, so fixed income means lending money in exchange for interest. That can include things like treasury bills, government bonds, municipal bonds, or other high-quality bonds. A conservative fixed income portfolio may be useful for cash that has a longer-term time horizon. In many cases, it may offer meaningfully more income, maybe 2% extra yield than a low-yield savings or money market account.
Which can really add up, but liquidity is also a big concern for business owners. So if they move cash into some fixed income, are they giving up access to some of this money?
Not necessarily. If it's designed correctly, a short-term fixed income portfolio or municipal bond portfolio can still offer general liquidity. It's not meant to replace the corporate checking account, but rather for excess reserves after the business has already set aside what it needs for daily operations, payroll taxes, etc. Also, if you sell a bond before it matures, the price can move, especially when interest rates change, so the structure really does matter.
Chad, you mentioned municipal bonds. Why might those be important for business owners?
Yeah, taxes are so important for this conversation. Many business structures, including sole proprietorships and S corporations, interest income may pass through to the owner's personal tax return. For some higher income owners, municipal bonds may be worth considering because interest is often tax-free.
If you're a business owner with cash sitting in a business account, it may be time to take a closer look. At Lineweaver Wealth Advisors, we help businesses coordinate their cash management, tax planning, investment strategy, and long-term wealth planning. So if you'd like to review whether your business cash is working as efficiently as it can be, visit lineweaver.net and schedule a business cash conversation today. Here's Fox News Sunday.